Now, before my last video ended, I drew this unleveled list of what the different area of physics covers. Now, basically, yeah, it looks like a lot, but honestly, it's not that much. It's okay. I'm not gonna lie, it's a lot, but it's actually really simple to understand. It's simple to do once you understand it, and well, that's why I'm doing this. But one thing I found interesting about this list that I found in one of the tables of my textbook is that it outlines the different, I guess you could say, units in the book. So I guess you could say I'm gonna actually choose a different color. I mean, I'm gonna get better with this in time. I'm gonna use a rather bright color for this one. So basically, this could be sort of signified as a Unit 1 and thermodynamics, Unit 2, and you kind of get the idea. So basically, there are 7 units in this book. Now, let me tell you a little bit about what we will be going over in mechanics. We will be going over, looking over, motion, one dimension, two-dimensional motion and vectors, forces and the laws of motion, work and energy, momentum and collisions, rotational motion and the law of gravity, rotational equilibrium and dynamics, fluid mechanics, and well, that's basically it for not physics, mechanics. So we got that. For thermodynamics, some things we'll be going over are heat and study of thermodynamics itself. So a rather small unit, I guess you could say. For vibrations and wave phenomena, we'll be going over vibrations and waves, of course, sound, and yes, another rather short unit. For optics, we will be going over light and reflection, refraction, interference and diffraction, and yes, yet another unit that is rather short. For electromagnetism, we will be going over electric forces and fields, electrical energy and capacitance, current and resistance, circuits and circuit elements, magnetism, induction and alternating current, and that's one of the longer ones, I guess you could say. Electromagnetism and mechanics are a very large part of physics. For relativity, we will be going over atomic physics, and this is actually one where you will see that it sort of doesn't go to what I actually said. It was going over modern electronics, and then for quantum mechanics, we will be going over subatomic physics. So basically, this is the structure of which we will be going over the videos. I do apologize for this sort of stale video, I guess you could say. It's basically sort of introducing a structure of what you can expect from these videos, and I promise to order them in the correct order, because a lot of textbooks are organized to where they allow you to step up in information that you know. So you will notice, and I I will make it apparent in future videos that the previous chapters are, of course, not to be forgotten, because the future chapters force you to go on what you already know and challenge that in a new way. And it's actually rather hard to describe, so I will actually just leave it at this, and you will actually see what I'm talking about, the patterns of which I am trying to describe or attempting to describe in future videos. Thanks for watching.